Hey, how's it going? This is part 2 of the 2019 Honda Pilot not starting up. So to get everybody up to speed, I basically did a transmission swap on the 2019 Honda Pilot. As soon as I did the swap, the vehicle was no longer starting up and I was not able to hook up a scan tool to it because of that reason. I did check all my grounds, everything, connectors, all that stuff. And once I figured out that everything was plugged in, I decided to do something different. So I'm like, okay, you know what? This new transmission comes with a new computer. Why don't I hook up the old computer to see if it even starts up the vehicle? And pretty much that's what I did. So I removed the brand new computer, which is this one, and I put back the original one. As soon as I did that, the vehicle turned back on and everything was working again. I'm not sure if this is how Honda does it, but it solved my problem. Hopefully this helps somebody out. All right, see you next time.